Good morning, good evening everyone. This is our college algebra project video.
In this video, you will learn the basic exponents from understanding what they are, thus solving them with confidence.
So what is the role of exponent? Kaya, let me explain, my boy. Exponent rows are algebraic rows for simplifying expressions involving exponents.
Nice!
So, let's start. So, meron tayo dito ang x cubed plus x squared is equals to x raised to the power of 5. So, bakit nga ba? So, bakit ko nga ba nakuha yung x raised to the power of 5? So, yung x squared, gagawin nating dalawang x plus yung x cube, gagawin natin tatlong x. Tapos i-plus natin silang dalawa. So yung kalabasan is 5x. Kaya dun ko nakuha yung x raised to the power of 5. Ayan. Ganyan lang ka-basic, boss. So let's proceed. So dito naman, x raised to the power of 7 divided by x cubed is equals to x raised to the power of 5. So, bakit ito nga na naman nakuha? So, explain ko agad. So, dito naman, makikita niyo po yung x raised to the power of 7. Maglalagay muna kayo ng 7x. Tsaka yung x cube, maglalagay din kayo ng dalawang x. Sa itaas, magkakancel po kayo ng dalawang x. Tsaka yung nasa ibaba, kakancel nyo din. So yung mahuli dyan, yung 5x, yan po yung answer. Kaya dun ko po nakuha yung x raised to the power of 5. Ganun lang po ka-basic. Let's proceed. Dito naman, meron tayong x cubed raised to the power of 5 is equals to x raised to the power of 6. So, paano ko nakuha yung answer? Yung x squared, tatlong beses natin siyang ilalagay. And then after that, sa x cube, magsusulat ka ng tagdadalawang x. At bilangin nyo po yung x na na-drawing nyo. And that's how po nakuha ko yung x raised to the power of 6. So, yun lang po ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon. At maraming salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa huli, paalam.